Subaru just made a masterpiece, the 2024 Subaru Outback, the new best Japanese car. This thing is worrying the competition with amazing performance and a design that just makes sense. But more than that, Subaru really fixed their mistakes this time, which is why everyone is talking about it. So without wasting time, let's dive right in. Performance. The Subaru Outback has earned a reputation for its well-balanced performance, seamlessly blending comfort with impressive off-road prowess. It's the kind of vehicle that appeals to a diverse group of drivers, with a standard 2.5-litre flat four-cylinder engine that cranks out 182 horsepower and 176 pound-feet of torque. This setup hits the sweet spot for most driving situations, striking a perfect balance between power and fuel efficiency. But if you're the type who craves a little more get up and go, Subaru's got you covered. There's a turbocharged 2.4-litre flat four-cylinder engine packed with a punchy 260 horsepower and 277 pound-feet of torque. This turbo version is ideal for those who need that extra kick, whether it's for towing, conquering steep climbs, or just enjoying a zippier drive. This is one of those cars that is good for cushy daily commutes and adventures across rugged terrain. Plus, every Subaru Outback rolls off the line equipped with the brand's signature all-wheel drive system. And both engines are paired with a continuously variable automatic transmission designed to optimize fuel efficiency by seamlessly adjusting to the engine's power needs. Although some might argue that the CVT lacks the refinement of traditional automatics, the newest model comes with simulated gear shifts. This isn't your old-school, sluggish CVT, it's engaging and responsive. Technological advances have made this CVT a feature to brag about rather than avoid. That is where Subaru shines. They've made a lot of new things that actually make sense. But let's talk about the details. Upgrades. For years, a bunch of Subaru models, those rocking the 2.5-litre four-cylinder engines, were infamous for their head gaskets blowing a fuse. This headache was most common in Foresters and Outbacks on older models. Why is that? Well, it's all thanks to the Boxer engine design, where fluids would cozy up around the gaskets and basically start eating away at them. But hey, let's talk about today. The 2023 Outback doesn't have those problems, and it's actually looking pretty snazzy with its new tricks. It's strutting a revamped front that not only looks sharp, but also smooth out the airflow to give you that buttery ride. And it has a wide range of colors. Tech-wise, Subaru isn't pulling any punches either. The infotainment system is now a dream to use, with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Plus, the EyeSight technology has had a major facelift. It's got a broader view and smarter software to spot trouble faster than ever, especially with that new camera on the lookout for pedestrians and cyclists. And for those who dig a good responsive brake, the new electronic brake booster is a game changer, working hand in glove with EyeSight to make stopping on a dime a piece of cake. Not to forget, the upper trims get the smart rearview mirror, borrowed from the Ascent, which means reversing is safer than ever with a clear video feed. All these upgrades just show how Subaru listens to the crowd, and that's how they make reliable SUVs that keep getting better with their well-rounded blend of comfort, practicality, and adventurous spirit, all while maintaining a great fuel economy. But let's talk about that for a sec. Fuel efficiency. The fuel efficiency of the 2022 Subaru Outback hinges on the engine and trim level, offering a spectrum of choices tailored to fit your specific needs. With a standard 2.5-litre flat four-cylinder engine, you get 26 miles per gallon in the city and 33 miles per gallon on the highway. Not bad. Plus, with a full tank, you can travel up to 536 miles, so fewer stops at gas stations and more road time for you. Now, if you're craving a bit more power under the hood, check out the turbocharged 2.4-litre flat four-cylinder engine. This one offers a combined mileage of 26 miles per gallon, with 23 mpg in the city and 30 mpg on the highway. This is a somewhat acceptable drop since this is turbocharged, but on the Wilderness trim, you get a combined mileage of 24 mpg, with 22 mpg on the city and 26 mpg on the highway. But the whole point of this trim is using the less beaten path and unleashing its full capability. But we should talk about this in detail, so let's get into it. Off-road and towing capability. First off, when it comes to off-road capabilities, the Subaru Outback doesn't disappoint. It's fitted with X Mode, a nifty feature that really shines when you're off the beaten path. Hit the X mode button and suddenly, traction isn't an issue on those slippery and rugged terrains. Perfect for adventurous people who seek thrills beyond the asphalt. Plus, it has hill descent controls that automate the braking, and you can disable advanced driver assist systems temporarily if the car starts beeping or flashing, thinking twigs and rocks are obstacles. It is clear that they took care of the details. But let's get into the Subaru Outback's towing prowess. The standard 2.5-litre Subaru Boxer engine can tow a solid 2,700 pounds across all trims, ideal for smaller trailers and camping gear. But the 2.4-litre Turbo Boxer engine cranks it up to 3,500 pounds, perfect for heftier loads. But without trailer brakes, you are capped at 1,000 pounds. But its well-thought-out features don't just stop there. Exterior design. It's clear that the Outback's design philosophy aims to meet the needs of both those with a thirst for exploration and those who just need a dependable car for everyday life. With its raised suspension, the Outback offers excellent ground clearance, giving it an SUV-like presence that sets it apart from typical station wagons. This elevated stance not only adds to its tough, rugged look, but also greatly enhances its ability to conquer challenging off-road terrain. The design masterfully blends ruggedness with practicality and a touch of sophistication, appealing to a wide range of buyers. Despite its strong and durable exterior, the Outback stays true to its station wagon roots, providing a smooth, car-like ride while reaping the benefits of increased ground clearance. It's this unique combination that makes it a crossover that doesn't sacrifice comfort for capability. For 2024, Subaru has introduced some subtle yet impactful updates to the Wilderness trim, considered the most rugged-looking Outback model. These updates include refined adjustments to the grille and front bumper, adding a bit more depth to its already assertive look. These enhancements further emphasize its adventurous spirit, making it clear that this vehicle is built to take on a variety of tough environments with ease. There is a reason why this balanced design approach has garnered a loyal following for around 30 years and continues to draw in new buyers. But hey, I'm just here to give you the facts, so watch carefully and tell me if this is truly worth it. Interior design. The theme continues here with top-notch materials across all trims, but the upper trims in particular indulge you with Nappa leather upholstery, adding a touch of luxury, and even the plastic surfaces, often a complaint in other cars, a softer touch, enhancing the overall comfort and quality. Both the Outback and its sibling the Legacy are celebrated for their comfortable seating and high-quality interiors. The design may be on the conservative side, but it prioritizes functionality and the driver's experience. And on the Onyx Edition, Subaru has introduced StarTech seating material, which is easy to clean and maintain, a fantastic option for families and outdoor enthusiasts. Plus, this water-repellent fabric is free from PVC, chlorine, and phthalates, aligning with Subaru's sustainability goals. They take care of every detail from the door-mounted armrests designed for elbow comfort to the two-texture floor mats and more. The infotainment system comes with a large screen and minimal physical buttons. It gives the dashboard a sleek, uncluttered look, and it's really intuitive and user-friendly. The Outback steers clear of unnecessary frills and overly complex features, focusing instead on delivering functionality. And when it comes to cargo space, the Outback truly excels, outshining many competitors. It offers 32.6 cubic feet of storage behind the rear seats, expandable to an impressive 75.6 cubic feet with a second row folded down. This design approach resonates with drivers who prioritize substance over style, seeking a vehicle that complements their dynamic and multifaceted lives. Price and competition. The 2025 Subaru Outback hits a sweet spot with its attractive pricing and a suite of features that make it a standout in its class. Starting at a wallet-friendly $30,290 and scaling up to $44,190, depending on your choice of trims and goodies. This wagon offers impressive versatility with standard all-wheel drive and practical design. The base model is not just affordable, but also comes loaded with features to meet various needs. As you climb the trim ladder, you'll find advanced features, and when it comes to competition, the Subaru Outback holds its ground against some major players in the crossover and SUV markets. Take the Toyota 4Runner for example. Starting at a higher price of $40,155, the 4Runner is famous for its off-road prowess, boasting up to 9.6 inches of ground clearance, four-wheel drive, and crawl control for tackling tough terrain. It's a great choice if you frequently venture off the beaten path, albeit at a higher cost. And I'm talking about a 10,000 $1,000 price jump for almost the same things. Then there's the iconic Jeep Wrangler, starting at $31,195. This classic off-roader offers an open-air experience with features like a convertible soft top and removable doors. It's built for those who crave the thrill of outdoor adventures, delivering a raw, unfiltered driving experience that few can rival. Its legendary design and off-road chops make it a favorite among thrill seekers. But the Wrangler can't touch the Outback's ride quality. It's smooth and cushy. Subaru has designed this vehicle to soak up all those annoying road bumps, delivering a plush driving experience that's perfect for long commutes and road trips alike. Whether you're dodging potholes in the city or cruising down the freeway, the Outback keeps things comfortable. And Wranglers have been known to have issues in this department, and the interior space is another big win for the Outback. The roomy cabin offers plenty of space for passengers and cargo with ease of loading gear, thanks to its roof design and cargo area, which adds to its practicality, outdoing many SUVs in this regard. But when it comes to off-road ability, the Outback is obviously not going to rival a Jeep Wrangler in extreme conditions, but it's definitely capable on light to moderate trails. It can even compete with a 4Runner. And on top of all of this, the Outback has a really good fuel economy. But what's your take on this? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next video.